What's up? What's happening? How's it going? And blessed, beautiful abundance to you, wonderful souls. Kiara Cass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Every day and every way, we're getting excited to be here with you guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks to all my beautiful subscribers. You guys keep rocking this channel, rocking this show. Thanks to you. And every day I keep doing some cool videos. So I've got a bunch of short videos that I'm going to be putting out for you today. So make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when I release the videos on the channel. But for now, in the meantime, I've got a really cool meeting with a restaurant franchise here in South Africa at noon. So I'm going to be doing this video and then I'll be making my way to that meeting. I'm very excited about it. So yeah, hope you all can smash that thumbs up for me and make sure that the meeting goes extremely well. And yeah, thanks very much for that. But nonetheless, let's get straight to the video content here today, because today we are going to be making noise. So, okay. So first things first, if you guys want to trade, I closed a few of my trades yesterday and I'll re-enter because there was a bit of a pullback yesterday. I put some more buy limits. Some of them have re-entered. Some of them are still in the order book. So if you guys are going to be trading with me and looking at these beautiful trades, then make sure to hit that notification bell on the channel so that we can make money here on the channel together. Okay, I don't just want to make money by myself. I want to make money with you. So yeah, I mean, I've closed a few of my trades, and Solana was one of them, but we'll talk about Solana in a little bit. But right now, Bybit link, $30,000 deposit link right there down below. Go click it and make sure that you get yourself into some trades very soon, because we got some huge pumps going to happen very soon. So let's go and have a look at the market cap today. So today we're down at 1.27 trillion. We're at minus 1% for the day. We had 47 billion in trading volume, and the market cap has gone up to this. But this market cap for me is not right. Okay, so BTC sitting at just above 30,000, Ethereum just at 1873, BNB at 319. XRP is still 50 cents, Cardano at 39 cents, Dogecoin at 8.2 cents, Polygon at 109, Solana has been pumping 23.72, which is great, Polkadot at 630, Litecoin at 92.10, Shiba at 1090, Avalanche at 1809. I'm actually in an Avalanche trade, I'm in a Solana trade. Not in a Polygon trade yet. That would be very interesting. I'll go and look at that chart properly. Uni's 584 and Chainlink 720. Chainlink is going to get ready to make a huge pump soon, guys. So hope you guys are ready for that one. And I believe Cardano will too soon. So Fear and Greed Index is down 3 points from yesterday at 65 points. So not much change. And as you can see, Solana is one of the only ones in the green here today, sitting at 5.8% against BTC. The rest of them are in the red. Guys, what do you do when these coins are in the red? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know what I have shared with you. If you guys remember that I share every day on this channel, when you're in the red, what do you do? Let me know. When you're in the green, what do you do? Although green at 5% is not much, but if you did a 10x leverage, that's 58% already. So do you take some profits? Yes. What is your strategy? Well, you know, how much percent do you want to make a day? For me, my average percent that I would love to do and make every day is an absolute minimum of 10%, but my ideal is 66% every day. And that's pretty easy. Really, that all that is this kind of trade. It's 6.6% move in any altcoin. You can choose a few different altcoins and make the money off of the altcoins. Very simple, guys. Super simple trading strategy. Now, I wanted to go and talk about Market Watch here, because obviously with Market Watch, oh, wow, wholesale inventories jumped. Wow, that's much better. So today's Wednesday. Yeah, so we're on Tuesday already. Okay, so we got CPI data today. CPI data is coming, they want to say 5.1%. If they even get 5.5%, that's going to be absolutely detrimental to the market. So let's see what happens from there. But nonetheless, I think, you know, if we hit the target, that'll be good. But if it's 5.5%, I'd really love to see if they really manage to get this down to these levels here, because I don't think they have. I don't think the Fed has managed that, to be very honest. But I guess we'll wait and see a little bit later on today. That should be happening at about 3:30 South African time, or UTC time. UTC plus 2 would be 3:30. So make sure that you're in front of your trades, and make sure that you hit my Bybit link down below so that you can trade with me, because there will be a huge breakout today, guys. This will make the markets move big time, no doubt about it. Let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin price for the day today. Currently, we are on the day coming to an overextended on the buying time frame, which is okay. But yeah, essentially, okay, what's going on here? But essentially, we want to be able to, yeah, look at this here. I said to you, this 32 level is probably the level we take some profits before a little bit of more consolidation again, and then we can look at making our move back onwards and upwards. Excuse me, guys. So normally, yeah, when the electricity kicks off here in South Africa with load shedding, it'll switch off the electricity, and when the generator kicks in, it takes like 2 minutes to switch back on. So thanks to the patience and the disruption there. I know you didn't notice it. I just pushed pause on the recording. But here's the BTC on the 4-hour time frame. You can see now officially on the 4-hour time frame, we've had a sell signal. So essentially we could probably look to come back down to the breakout level before we make another move back up. You can see how much it's actually following the trend lines here. Okay, so we've now hit resistance there, pull back down, come back down to find support at the breakout, which will meet the support level at this area, and then a push back up. So for me, don't get into a trade at this level here. Get into a trade down here. That's as simple as that. Trade with my Bybit link down below. Okay, so let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance, because the Bitcoin dominance has just been going crazy. It's been pumping like absolute wonderful madness. So the same thing for the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance has just been pumping up, okay? I think on the Bitcoin dominance, we may have a little retest here as well, and then a little bounce back up. But the moment Bitcoin dominance starts to pull back down heavily, that's when you want to be getting into altcoins. Right now, it's not the best time for altcoins, and that's why you can see on the crypto bubbles that altcoins aren't really pumping that much. Now, what does Ethereum look like, guys? Ethereum has done a very interesting little scenario here. Now, let's go and look at it on the 4 hours again, because on the 4 hours, we have essentially found some support at the breakout level here. And of course, we are also kind of trading up the trend line. So the same thing for Ethereum. We could just retrace it a little bit and then pull back up to here before another retracement and then another pullback up. And then we could break a high and get to that, eventually that 2000 level that we've been waiting to get to patiently with Ethereum. So I still believe Ethereum is going to hit the 2000. You guys know, trade when the RSI is down here and sell when the RSI is up here. So we're getting ready to enter into an Ethereum trade. Okay. Now the dollar, as you can see on the daily time frame, is coming up to the top of the RSI, which, as we know, is the time to sell, right? So very interesting. This sell signal only kicked in here, but the RSI kicked in all the way over here. So the RSI told you to sell the dollar here. Then we had a little fake out, boom. Now, normally this is what we would call a liquidation event. So as you can see here, the dollar has now been resisted. We've got a rejection candle, a turning candle under my lines, and a close below. And we now have a candle that's broken to yesterday's low and coming down. And we've got the RSI. So for me, guys, the dollar is going to be coming down, which means that everything else should be hopefully going up. Okay. Now, the NASDAQ here, you can see, has made on the daily time frame a little bit of support. So the NASDAQ, as I said to you on my video, could essentially just run back up here and then look for a retracement down. Now, the RSI here is already over. The line is already crossed. So for me, like, there isn't much steam left here, okay, because of the resistance levels that are over here. We could pump up here, but at the moment, it looks like it needs a bit of a retracement. Could actually retrace somewhere down to this level and then continue its pattern a little bit up. Total crypto market cap, guys. Total crypto market cap, like I said to you yesterday, closed above my green line. Now we're in full swing for the total crypto market cap. So the money's going to just hover a little bit and then pump. There's my target all the way up there, guys. So we're like 1/3 of the way. And then US oil had an interesting pump yesterday, okay, all the way up here. I did say to you that this was my selling target. So if it can't break this line, we might actually find, or if it does break this line, we'll come up to here because there's a lot of resistance. And then that would be a phenomenal sell entry. I've actually put a sell entry at this level here with my stop loss just above this level. It's at 86 here. So if we do pump up and get some sort of liquidation event, then that's okay, because the RSI can still sit sideways while this thing goes up. So essentially we want to trade coming down. Now gold is looking really mighty fine, but on the 4 hour we are now oversold and under this resistance level. But on the daily time frame, gold is looking insane, guys. Look at this. We have a down slope here and we have an up slope here, which is essentially bearish divergence, isn't it? So, but that's so cool. On gold, cool, we might just break down back down to here and then kind of push our way back up. But I don't know about that, because gold is looking relatively strong right now. We're oversold on the RSI, which means that we could be taking a trade. I do trade gold on the very short time frames because it moves fast and you can make a good chunk and a good percentage every day. So gold is where I make a lot of my money. It's a trading strategy that I use. And I use the MetaTrader 4 platform, and I use an INFX account, which is great. You can trade gold ZAO USDT on Bybit and Binance, but you can't actually trade it with leverage. Whereas INFX, you can trade it with leverage. And when you trade it with leverage, guys, you can make big money fast. Okay, so I think I've shown you, and then natural gas. Gareth Soloway actually spoke about natural gas and where it could be heading. But look here, now we've had a sell. So it was a presumption that we were going to get a bit of a buy here. But it looks rather that we're going to get a bit of a sell signal, which means that we could come retest these kind of levels again. So back down here before we make a move up. But the thing about this is that you can see that this is all upward trend now, okay? So it is sloping upwards, and we have to be very, very conscious about that, because essentially it's tapping on this level here. Okay, guys, I think I've shown you everything. Make sure that you're ready for your Bitcoin and Ethereum trades when they do retrace down here. It could happen very fast. These are 4-hour candles. So 4-hour candles could move pretty fast, and you could get an absolute reset into the market. So if you're going to trade Ethereum, I would suggest putting your stop loss somewhere down here at 1820, and then taking the trade, and then taking profits at the 2000 level. That would be my level for Ethereum. Although Ethereum, as I said to you guys in my one video, in this video here, that Ethereum could essentially reach $2,400, $2,500. Guys, if you enjoyed this, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like and share the video as far and wide as possible. I really appreciate that. And remember your trading link down below, because we are going to trade together today and make a lot of money. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.